Finding the square root using long division method. So let me explain in this concept now. Finding the square root, we have three methods. One is even you can use factorization method, but long division method, even if it is not perfect square, also we can use this. Okay, let me take one example. For example, I want to find out square root of 19. Let me take one single two-digit number first. To find out the square root of 19, 19 is not perfect square. So we can use this long division method. If it is a perfect square, we can use even factorization method. But for the long division method, even if it's not perfect, we can apply. So to find out the square root of 19, first we need to check this 19 is near to which perfect square. Less than 19, not more than 19. So less than 19, the 19 is which number near to the perfect square. Nearby 19, before 19 16 and after 19 25, you know that. 16 is a 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So these are the two. So in this we should take only 16. Previous 19, previous before the 19, which is a perfect square, that we should take. 16 means 4 square. So 4 into 4 is 16. So 19 is, you should get more than 4. The 19 square root of 19 should be more than 4 and less than 5. Because 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So that more than 4 only will get the answer for 19. Now when you come to this long division method, so you can write 19 point. So if you want up to 3 decimal places, you can take the 6 zeros. So after 19 point, take the 6 zeros. So division method will apply. Okay, for this, we take the division concept. Now 19 is near to the previous is 16. So that is 4 into 4 is 16. So we should write 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Don't take 4 5s or some other digit. Same should be here, whatever the number in the divisor and quotient. If you imagine that divisor and quotient, same number should be here and here. So if we take 5 into 5, it's more than 19. So we should not take. Only less than 19. There is only perfect square is 16. So 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, then we can do subtracting this. Keep minus 19 minus 16. So it's a 3. Next set you can take. So we can assume this is the 2 sets from right side. So up to 3 decimal places you want, you can keep the 6 zeros. Every 2 you can mark it. Even 19 also. From right side, 2 digits you have to mark. So 19 is 4 for the 16 minus 3. Minus we subtract 3. Next set you can take 2 zeros. So you can keep the point because set we have taken after the decimal. So you also keep the point. Now next the important stuff is, what are the number you should make it double. 4 no. If the single digit, always units place you can add again. Units only single number. So there is only unit digit. You can add another 4 for this. So just one more 4 you can add. Now that is 8. Whatever the units number, you should again add one more unit number to that, it will become 8. Now it's a 300. Next after 8, these two places should be same number. That means near to the 300, less than 300, 81 ones or 82 2, 83 into 3. Right, you can verify until you get 300. So there is a concept. So 81 into 1, it should be same. Is both places. 82 into 2, 83 into 3, it should be same number here and here. So 83 into 3, 249, because 84 into 4 is more than 300, should not take. Okay, then you can subtract this. Okay, step by step I am taking clearly. 300 minus 249 is 51. Now next one more set you can take down, that is 2 zeros. Okay, so what I said, always now you can come to this divisor place. 83, right? Units place, you should add again one more number. Whatever the units place is 3. You can add plus 3 for this. 83 plus 3 is 86. Now it's 86. Now next again same condition. So after 86 and here should be the same number. 86 means 861 1s up, 862 2s up. In that way you can verify. 861 into 1, not 86 table, 861 ones are, 862 twos are. So near to 5100. So 865 fives are same. You and there should be must be same. 865 into 5 is 4325. Because 866 6 it's more than 5100. So you can take less. So then after subtracting this, 5100 minus 4325, 775. Next set, 2 zeros you can take. So what we have to proceed, always whatever the number units place, add again with one more same number. Units digit whatever it is, you can add another number. 865 plus 5 is 870. 870. So what we have to do now, next this place must be same, 870. So what we have to take, 8701 into 1 and 8702 into 2, same should be these both the places. 8703 into 3, so near to 77,500. So when I calculated, I got 8 8s. That means 8,708 into 8, that is 69664. Because 8,709 into 9 is more than 77,500. Yes, we need not to subtract again because we need up to 3 decimal places. Okay, so therefore we can conclude this. Square root of 19 is approximately 4.358. It's not perfect square, right? We'll keep on going. So irrational numbers. So we'll keep on continuing. Up to 3 decimal places, 4.358. Okay, so this is a technique you can follow for the square root long division methods. So not only this, anything is the same process. Already long division method concepts I have given already in the previous some more videos. You can go through. I have still more doubt. Let me explain one more problem. One simple question. Let us take one. Let me take one decimal number. For example, 10.89. So this is a perfect square. Let us conclude. 10.89. So what we have to proceed, first division method, from right side to 2 digits after decimal and before decimal. After decimal point should be even number because 2 should mark, and before decimal also same. So 10 is near to the 3 into 3, right? 3 3s are 9 because 4 4s are 16, more than 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Next set, if you take down 89, so I took after decimal number, after decimal point set down, so we can keep the point here. So what we need to do, what are the numbers, same number you can add, that is 6. So after 6 and here should be same till 189 you have to reach. 63 3s are 189, exactly we got. So 3.3. So square root of 10.89 is equal to 3.3. It's a perfect square. So we got completely zeros last. If it's not perfect square, you keep on continuing. Okay, this is a technique you can follow for the square roots and using long division method. Okay, next even I'll explain some more topics on multiplication, some crisscross method and shortcut tricks we'll see now.